to get an AI Dynamic Wallpaper on Xiaomi 17, you just have to open Settings. Next, over here, scroll down a little bit, and then go to Personalization. After that, we can scroll down a little bit again, and this time we are looking for AI Dynamic Wallpapers option. So we can open this option, press Start, and you should be able to find AI generated content. So you can find a couple of wallpapers that you can easily use and easily apply on your phone, but also you can press this plus button in the bottom right corner in order to choose your own photo that is going to be turned into a dynamic wallpaper. Alright, so as an example, I'm gonna use this photo over here that I just took of my car toy. This is of course a static image. And once we grant the permission, we should be able to tap on generate in order to try to get the dynamic movement of the wallpaper. So let's wait a couple of seconds to get our result. Once it is done, we should be able to choose if we want to set it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. I'm gonna actually choose both, and then we should be able to get the preview. I'm not sure if I can see the animation over here. There is like a slight movement, so I'm not really satisfied with this result. In theory, I should be able to go back and try to do this again in order to try to get something better, but technically this is how it looks like. And of course, if you are happy with your result, then you can tap on apply in the upper right corner to set the wallpaper. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.